so wena o senyeditse dikopo tsa bana ba bang ya hao isikunu e nna go di bana saba wa shebe isikunu ne athi kubo te bantu talabanye bantwana.
It's like I'm an author. I'm starting a new chapter. Ama drugs seyiphelile. Now it's life after drugs.
The truth stairs is that I'll be sitting at the top of the stairway, and then bona tle be ba le go tlase, and then ke ba butsisa mo gore ke dinnete tse feng tse di tlo lekanang le di steps tse di leng mo pela ga gore o fitlhe monna tse o ka mpotsang tsone nnete engwe le ngwe o mpotsang yona. It will earn you a step forward, and then once o fitlha monna o fitlhile you have achieved, you have completed the challenge. All right, yazisebenza kanjani then?
Sir.
Uyongitshela amaqiniso, one truth per step. Utshela iqiniso eli1 elaziwa uwe uwedwa, the relationship between wena nabazali bakho.
Yes sir.
Ne?
Yes sir.
Something that has to do nale behavior enza ukuthi bakulethela. And if I'm satisfied ngama steps wakho wonke oyi4, you get a reward. That's reward yakho yini?
No sir.
You get to call your parents today. You get to talk to your parents. Zonke le itepo isathayo manje lapho. It's growth.
Benginewele sir. Elashona ngebirthday yabo. Our second birthday. Kahle premature. So it turned out he had a heart problem. Mina, it was my weight that was the problem. Manje ngephethe it was my 17th birthday, sir. Mama wangitshela basically everything that I didn't know because I was too young about iwele lami. Ubengitshela ukuthi we used to be close together. We used to be twins basically.
I'm sure a twin lakho would be very proud of you right now. We'll be very proud of you. Take your last step up, boy. You did good. You did good. You did good, man. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And he lebeletse nna ke mmona gore ngwana wa re dideng ya mmeta a ke na choice tshwantse ke mo comfort ke mmontshe gore as tough as I am and as bad as I look to them, as much as ba nahanang gore ke enemy ya bona, le nna ke motho ke na le pelo, I have a heart. Okay, can you just sit there under the tree, get some air and be proud of yourself? Yes.
Yes.
Because one thing I'll tell you is that I am proud of you. I am. Yes. I also see the need to show them that they can trust me. They are here because this is a safe space. Go show it.
Yes, ngingasho like why ngikuza ukuthi wena awufuni ukubhala into ezikanjani ngamtshela phela ngingafuni ukubhala kusindaba yakho leyo. Wena into kumele uyenze kumele ufundise ebhodini uphume eklasini ngiqedile lokho wakho. Gcine ngidelela uthisha ngishaya uthisha. And ngasuspend. Yes, ngasuspend la ngathi ngisuspend khona mama makhushukela iPP. Wow. Lapha sitatha khona ukukhuluma amagama abhlungu ubhuti bambo yithi ukuthi thandeka wena mhla umama sibulalela umama sokuzonda ukhohle ukuthi thina sobhuti bakho.
Ngene ugcine ngifuna ukuyazi before ngikunike steps sakho sokugcina ne?
Yes.
Ngifuna ukwazi wangitshela something ngabu 26 ama 28 izinto zama gang lezi ama number.
So bengihlala abantu abayigame kumele ube uqueen usabelayo ukuthi kwesinye istrati awungeni mebe kubuza ukuthi queen kumele ukhulume inombolo ama 28 ukuze ukwazi ukuzivikela uma uqueen. So ngathini ngizibiza ngoqueen Facebook ngasibhala ngoQueen bese ngikhuluma inombolo even noma ekhuluma nasekhaya bese ngisho ukuthi ziphi into ezikanjalo ngikhuluma ukuthi hayi mash phela mashayo ngenzile yes
ubhema kwakho ubhemani
ubhema insangu nogwayi
awukazi ungene kulezi ezinye zama drugs
no undugwayi nensangu phela
ridiculous all right
yes ngikhumbulile mfanami nami ngiyabonga amasosha halwa nje bheka ukuthi uba muhle kanjani uma ungabheki sibheke ukuthi uba muhle kanjani ngiyabonga ke mangabe uyashintsha bandle ngiyakuthanda yazi siyakuthanda sonke siyakuthanda ngiyabonga mfana
yes
fila kanjani ukuze olady ngikhuluma kanje it's okay to cry my boy you are not weak
Asiyangazi ngathini se
uzoba grand ntwana na
yes sir
don't give up on yourself you are giving up on yourself and I don't want you to do that yazi ukuthi uspecial kanjani mfethu akutshela ivare I will show you your pictures zalesikhathi uza and then I will show you your pictures zamanje even complexion yakho light nyana manje
yes
sharp makala grand you doing good was
I smoke crystal methyl dime and kawutswa kontlung chelete and I've once beaten my 2 brothers and I've told my mom that I hate her and I have void because of my father left me and I have anger because of I was taking care of my mom while she was sick and I have anger because of I always wake her from death when she's having seizures.
Take a step. One step. You're doing good. You're doing good.
I'm taking care of my boyfriend. Adilo eki krea kontlung like toiletries, food and money. I know the truth, Yahuri, my boyfriend is not good for my future and not good for me, but I still let him stay in my life.
Why do you think you do that? How does it feel to talk about all of these things?
It feels comfortable when I know I'm talking to someone that really cares. And it feels warm because I know that you'd never lie to me and you'd never make me do something wrong. You'd always make sure I do the right thing.
It's an emotional thing to do because it gives you a sense of detaching from your old self. Ushia ole wakale and then utsusa gore omumpia we missing. We are go.
One last truth. I have shame and I didn't respect you of what I said and I know that and I'm sorry, Papa.
It's okay.
I'm really sorry and I saw that it got to you because of you were like, I cared for you and that is how you speak of me.
It's okay. One thing about me. I don't hold grudges. I get already grudgy. I wouldn't be good at what I do if I held grudges. So, Oscar, it's water under the bridge again. But you have to promise me to make progress.
I'll make through this. I'll make you proud.
Make
Papa.
progress. Go forward. Because you were doing good and then wabola marao. And that's heartbreaking for me.
Yes, Papa.
It's okay. Go back.
Thank you.
So wena o senyeditse dikopo tsa bana ba banya ha o iskunu nna ko godimo bona saba wa shebe skunu ne ethi kubo te bantu tala banye bantwana Tarab why you say apply why ukakela
Ngimbizile ebusuku ngivuse omunye uhomemade ngathi ngifuna ukuya toilet athi biza mem ngithe mem ngayi-2 mem bekungamuntu ophendulayo mina and then ngalala mina
nalemaka hayi
The day ne ke ikaketse le nna ne ke sa tsebe go tsala ebile ne ke tshuile because bosibu ke tsuile ke tshwere ke mala ka tsa mem I shouted mem maybe 2 times. Mem didn't respond and I said I sleep because I must respond. There's no way I can go to Busibu because you are not allowed to go to Busibu.
Because this is fall when how no kitchen to say mem or we can take to the upper and then about them. It will have a change.
Who can live young who live here? Who mess him? So why you went so? So when was needed to go to Banavania, how is Kunu in Nagodium? Ufila Bian. At the age of 40.
So I was saying, you Haki check a book about a coach and book about when I stand up man, go on a little one and I keep both of the in your one. Oh, I can't get it. How was wrong? I could say, Belin, like I was surprised.
Kulula. Are we to believe? So what's up with it?
I feel bad for Smith, but I've never found for missing up the time.
So would live, I know. Bona saba wa shebe skunu ne ethi kubo te bantu tala banye bantwana skunu saba ari wa thatha dikobo go heno why
sell those kind of substances to bana ba banyane, which is why I resent every drug dealer that goes out there and has a clear conscience a regisetsa ngwana monyane wa 14 years the drugs, because bona no irang one not gets to a point where the withdrawal symptoms are hiding push out to this embarrassing state. Asa khona lo te tshwara. This is because ujimile mala a losoloha, you know, the drug is leaving the body, the system is confused, so she ends up at and she's embarrassed about this, which is understandable because aona motho eleng hore aga fila sharp a irile so hona le bana ba bang ba bantshi ba ba leng mole. If they find out about this, they're going to tease about it, but we're going to make sure that none of the other kids know what's going on.
Look stressed. Yeah, because it's not me who did this, so that's why I'm stressed. So nobody in a review. And I told you my side of the story of how I started smoking, what we smoked together, and you didn't tell me. Yes. Nah, why you to her a boyfriend? I told you no one. There was a boyfriend. So now I feel like you are leaving me outside because what is really going on with you? Look what you are going through right now. Because of you don't want to talk. I like things it's just that
Okay, Hanziki put a comment clear this girl, she came as in like cover I no longer like one advisor. Okay, Maraki, Mama did this advice like it was going like okay, I'm advising you get Mara, she's trying to make herself better than me. Okay, I was on to into her because I was feeling like I win. Look at where we are and when you're trying to make yourself better than me. Only more when I was not like it's a better like Netuquatile, I didn't wanna lie. Netuquatile, I have floco. Netuquatile Mara. I don't chest Marane Quati.
Haki Kube, honey. Get data with that person. I'm not gonna go anywhere because you don't to when then back up and a baby. Let's go. I still pay my pay. So, ends on the You must. Okay, what
For
feels sure?
sincere kanje.
Okay, yini wena I feel sure inside you ukuthi umiyeke vep.
Well, like, since in Nalena Patan, there was nothing better than a relationship. Okay, we are in a relationship, Mara. What is into a Holland to be taken in your bontori? And yet, it's just got about to there was no progress in the relationship. Given a relationship since between who step one,
Yeah.
no progress going further.
So umewa how guy.
No,
Yeah.
stability.
So how is she through all of this thing? Ya hore wena wa tsuba.
Obviously, what even fit?
I get it.
You know, because we had a parent also, she's not feeling well.
She's not feeling well.
Yeah.
So are you willing to reconcile when?
Yeah.
So ukile wa mjwetsa hore wa tsuba.
She knows. Like, ne ke bua le Lebohang ka mo tenteng a ne tse ke phutha ka mo ke bua le Lebohang ka mo tenteng. Lebohang like motivated because I'm not into like ke feel like I'm the one looking ana tsuba crystal medically one because the other kids in Lebo ne ba tletse mo photo ba bo vape ba bang ha ba tsubi ke just because of discipline and all of that. So nane ke ipona ke le janki. Ha bana ba kofene ke ipona ke le janki, which is that you swane sa batle ho ba close le bana ba bang.
So since ba jetile hore o tla mo, what are you telling yourself? Now I told myself I'm gonna change. Ne, deploy greater discipline that I'm supposed to get, and then I have to make the fact that Nzilela a campaign valid. You understand? I have to make this thing worth it. I have to change. I have to work for better. And Rona, what is your plan?
For me, I plan since like campaign, like kumele ukuthi like mangibuya ekhaya umama abone i-difference, abone ukuthi umntana lo akahambelanga mahala, uhambe ngephephusi.
Karabo. Lem, kuskun. Qedile. Asiyeni. Kanti umnyabanyana kube sikhulu. Amantombazana hlala endaweni isikhulu kanje ne.
It's like I'm an author. I'm starting a new chapter. Ama drugs say pelile. Now it's life after drugs.
Hello, Eva.
Yeah. Ngiyaphila.
Hamba kanjani lapho?
Izolo ngithole i-reward yokukhuluma iqiniso.
Oh, kunjani ukhumulile mntaka yazini?
Nami ngikukhumbulile.
Uzobuya right
Eh.
right.
Ngiyangithembisa
ukuthi izinto zenzayo zokuzwa bathi ushayiwe udakiwe ini zonke lezo zinto ezisizisa ubuhlungu ubone ngazathi thina sikuthanda.
Ngiyakutshembisa
surprise yakho mawubuye. Surprise yakho mawubuye.
Okay. Ngiyakuthembisa ngeke.
Mawubuya ngiyakuthembisa nami ukuthi ngizokutholela ifoni provided ubehave right, wenza izinto ezi-right, angiyeke ngikujaje ngithi hey bo wenza so ini lezo zinto lezi izinto zakudala but kuyintombazana uzicoce lento yokuthi uzobolekisana ngempahla angisafuni futhi nokukhumbuza ngalezo zinto lezo.
Okay, nami ngiyanithembisa ukuthi ngizoshintsha na next year ngizobuyela esikolweni, nanokuthi ngizonihlonipha njengasekuqaleni, nanokuthi ngizoba ulo Eva Lobe nimazi.
Bye.
Ngiyakuthembisa nanokuthi ngizohlukana noMbombayi.
Ayishwane nalomfana lo kabhiza kakathi takenzana hayi. Usila ife emikhukha uzange ukhulele lapho.
Cela ungiphathele into yokudla ke engithandayo mina uzongilanda.
Mangizokulanda.
Yeah, Sunday.
Akwazi phela. Uphatheleni ibheka.
Yeah, ngithi ngelimekudini.
Alright, okay.
Ngiyanithanda ne.
Nathi siyakuthanda.
Sharp. Hello mama.
Ngiyaphila njani? Khuluma noma kangani?
Kuluma noma kangane izolo I went to challenge a Stairs of Truth, and then Bati reward yami was to talk to you. Mama, I'm coming back on Sunday. Nyabuya Sunday, Mom.
Wow.
Cha mama sengitshintshile manje ngiyakuthembisa ngizoyenza kangcono than lento ebengiyiyo before. Angeke ngisabhema. Ngizoba umntana khona umzabile. Angazi bazokhuluma nani mara mina ngikhumbulile ma. Ngibudisela abantu basendlini ne. Ngiyakuthembisa I'm a better version of myself manje ne mama. Iyabuya indodakazi yakho. Ngiyakuthanda mama ne. Ngingakuxolisa futhi. Okay mama, bye bye.
Bye.
Good night. Ngicela ukukhuluma nomama. Ngiba ne-relief khona into eyehlayo. Feel like uya-accept uxolo lwami umama wami futhi, and ngiyaziva ukuthi nami ngibuyele sengumntanakhe, and ngiyazi futhi namhlanje uyalala kamnandi. Inyembezi ngisikhiphayo, tears of joy, a little bit of pain ukuthi angareconcile kahle naye, mara ngizomu-honora the way kumele ngimu-honore ngakhona and show all respect. Thembise engizenzayo, they come from the bottom of my heart. And what is different manje ukuthi ngishintshile, ngiqala kabusha. It's like I'm an author. I'm starting a new chapter. Ama-drugs seyiphelile. Now it's life after drugs. And to my friends, expect the better vision of myself. And to my boyfriend, angibuyelanga wena manje. I'm here to build my own future. I'm here to build a better version of myself.